Someone emailed our client care specialist yesterday saying, how do I know if someone is PBT certified? How do I know if they really know what they're doing as far as helping them move through betrayal? And that's a really good question, because there are so many people, first of all, so many people who've been betrayed and so many people who need healing. But if you are going to move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, our signature program, our signature system, what we do in our certification program, you need to know what you're doing. And it's pretty intense. I mean, I move people through the betrayal to breakthrough program, then our certification modules, then there's a quiz, then there's a case study conversation with me, and if they've completed all that and they're successful in all of that, then they're certified. So if you're not sure, reach out to us or ask them for their certificate or their logo or something, because it's more than just, and I've been told people do this, they read my book, Trust Again, and they're like, oh, I know the 5 stages, I can teach that. No, you can't. First of all, it's totally unethical, but it's not right. You want to make sure you have the skills. Moving someone through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough takes a lot. Now, of course, within the PBT Institute, that's all we do, where we have the coaching and we have everything else that's been proven to work. But if you're just looking to work with someone one-on-one, make sure they know the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. They are certified in moving through those, helping you move through those 5 stages, because this is big stuff. You are feeling symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome. The intention is to get to that place of post-betrayal transformation. There are those 5 stages, and we know what it takes physically, mentally, and emotionally. We know what happens physically, mentally, and emotionally at every stage, and we know what it takes to move from one stage to the next. You don't want to wing it here. You may have been struggling for years, maybe even decades. If you want to move through it strategically, effectively, efficiently, and once and for all, do it with people who know what they're talking about. So be careful. Be careful out there. Hope that helps.